I'm floating on the dance floor tonight. Yeah, the feeling in my system feels right. 'Cause I came here to dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance the night away. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance the night away.
Thursday, and we spent the day by the pool at the Mandalay Bay.
Very, very, very relaxing, and it was, I think, probably the hottest day
so far.
Yeah. And it was rammed down there. You can tell March Madness is happening. Mark had a little bit of a lay-in because I went to bed at a sensible time at midnight.
And I came in at 4. Okay.
Oh, that was later than 4. I think it was near 5, actually. But I woke up half 4. It wasn't next to me, and I was like, "Oh God, where is he? Is he okay? Oh, I'm downstairs. I'm fine." But he came back money up, so that was good. Not a huge amount, but
enough
to game you play. So yeah, so we are now off to Tournament of Kings for our dinner.
Never done it.
No, we've seen it lots of times. It's always been advertised on My Vegas, so we've managed to get 2 tickets for that and booked it simultaneously on matching laptops so we could be seated next to each other. That's a frigging thing. Just panicking in case someone else grabs one next to you and then it was split up. But as far as I know, it's a dinner show thing, so we get like chicken and chips in a basket. So
we'll see.
Eat with your finger food. So yeah, it'll be fun. I'm looking forward to this. You know, it's cheap and cheerful. So we'll see you later. So I've just been to the rewards desk to get a buy free cocktail for the lobby bar Excalibur. In that time, Mark's managed to lose $20 nearly, unless he wins on his last couple of spins. But he found his little Cleopatra. He likes this. See the big one now, Cleo. Come on. I've come back. She's paying out little ones now.
Yeah.
Last spin. Come on, Cleo. No. Oh, boo. Never mind. So off to get a cocktail and off to see our little show.
So, 20 past 8, show starts at 8:30, Tournament of Kings. free. Obviously, you pay for your food and your drink, but I mean it's soft drinks and
With the
chicken in a
ticket.
basket. Yeah.
Yeah.
We've just ordered some extra drinks, alcoholic. Not that we're partial to a bit. If Steve flips the camera now, you'll get the view. So this is the arena. If you just pan around, there we go. And so subsequently, we're looking forward to tonight. We've never done this in the 20 years since we've been coming to Vegas. Forward to it.
Sorry, there might be a little blip of sound.
All
As
right.
you flip cameras, it could be a bit funny.
Okay. So
But no, we need the drink, and we've got the big drinks for
Yeah.
24-ounce vodka and Diet Cokes, because to get in here you have to go into the arcade. Oh my god, it's like going to hell. Unless you love children, which we don't.
actually, that's not fair. We have a 20-year-old son. I mean, you know.
Yeah, that's why I love him, because he's not a child anymore.
Yeah, true.
So
Anyway.
yeah. The smallest chicken I've ever seen in my life. It's like a freaking baby one.
So we just finished Tournament of Kings.
It was fun. I mean, it's cheesy. It was
Yeah.
campy. We cheered, and a picture of me with our king of Norway.
Yeah. And to be honest, buy one get one free, and you get basically chicken corn on the cob and
bread
two
roll.
potatoes and a bread roll and an apple pie for dessert. Actually,
Yeah.
for $20, that's probably the food I should pay for normal food. So
Yeah, and
it's
you
whole
get a fun
chicken.
show.
Mini chicken. But
So
yeah.
we have to do it. Fuck me. 11. So how many nights in Vegas have we done now?
10 nights.
10 nights in Vegas is really showing my eyes. So apologies, I look like shite. But we're still going because we've got 2 nights to go.
What are you going to play now?
I'm going to play Willy Wonka. I'm doing $20, 75 a spin. Let's see if we win. Probably not, because Willy Wonka needs to like us. But if we get a bonus, I shall come back.
Oh, it's a terrible glare on this machine. So Steve is still playing, and he hasn't won sod all.
I'm the line pain.
So I thought I'd show you his demise.
Come on, Wonka, show us your Willy.
Can you tell Steve's had a few? Oh, there's 25 cents line hit.
Yay!
Wow.
I thought I was going to do something.
I know.
Santos line hits.
Oh well.
Nothing this time, never mind.
What was that, Steve? We missed that.
Nothing this time, never mind.
Never mind, okay.
So we are in the Bellagio. We are going to do 150 bets, 2 centinorms, 20 at Mark's, 20 at mine. See how we go. It's absolutely heaving. You can tell that March Madness has begun. There are people everywhere. I've not seen it this busy the whole time we've been away. So push that button, Mark. Let's see how we do. Come on, 6 hats or 3 bus tours. 3 bus tours and the mansion feature will be lovely.
Jonathan, stand in the machine.
Yeah, $6. First one, that'll do.
Did you put it here or play there?
Oh, Mark now has 2 pushes because I pushed it twice and he's rolling his eyes. So if we win anything, we'll come back. So hopefully, the curse of Huff and More Puff will be broken tonight while we're betting a little bit more. And we've only hit 6 hats. So this is a good omen because the guy next to us got paid out $1,500 in a hand play. So press play then, Mark. Oh me, I got this apparently. She's got down to $17. Come on, some hats. Don't dead spinners. Yes. Read trigger. Just need some gold hats now, come on. Be nice to us, Huff and Puff. Oh, come on, no more wooden ones, we want some gold ones. Yes, 2 golds, there we go. That's what we're after, and a re-trigger. Come on, this is looking good. This is looking good. More hats, come on. Don't dead spinners. Oh, come on, more hats, come on. Oh, well that's 2 gold houses, which is better than we'd normally do.
Well, might be a mini.
Come on. Something good, be nice to us. Give for 23 so far, okay. Come on, it's a nice big number. Oh, the 225 there, that's good.
Okay, we almost made our money back. Come on, minis.
Come on. Oh,
That's actually not,
that's not too bad.
Double it. That's $82.
$82.
That's the result.
That's the best win we've had all holiday on this bloody machine. 82. One back up.
No.
Mark says no. It's true, it won't come back again. So we're taking our $99 and we're running with that. Right then, so we are now going to play Planet Mulo in Bellagio. This one is a special machine because I've got the Unical on this one. Actually, and the Unical on that one as well.
Yeah.
And the one that's out of service, the person got a Unical at the same time as us as well. So we're just going to do a little baby roll then because this is just my 20. You know I only play safe. So 75 credits. Let's see how we do. If I get a bonus, I'll be very happy, but Luna's not been very lucky with me this trip. It's one of my favourite games though. So if I get a bonus, I shall let you know. So wish me luck, guys. Well, that was a quick 2 minutes maximum. Absolutely nothing, not even any decent line plays, but never mind, can't win them all. So I moved on to Peacock Princess.
Yeah.
Just outside the Mayfair Supper Club, which was a fabulous night, as you saw before. So Mark's put in $100, 1 cent bets. Oh, 2 cents in on, so he's missing the boat out. So,
$1 bet.
Off you go. And hopefully the Peacock Princess will be nice to us and give us 6 golden balls. Oh, 3. All 3 spins with a bonus in there, that'll be just as good. Happy with that as well. So if it gets a bonus, we'll come back.
Okay, so partly luck of the cocktail waitress. Drinks arrived. Got 6 balls. Cost me $26 to get there. But there's a fair few there. Big meaty balls. Let's see what we get. Wordy ball would be nice, or sun, or whatever they are. Major went through then, I saw it. Come on, yeah. Keep me in it. Big balls. Come on, big uns. Yeah. Juicy ones. One more. Come on. Big juicy ball. Oh, okay. In it to spin it. Come on. In it to spin it. Come on, one more. Oh, last one. Come on. Yes. Okay. Are we going to get the famous 14? Last spin. No. Oh well. Let's see how we done. That's a hefty bonus for a $1 spin.
Yeah, not bad at all. Got your money back.
I did indeed. So, as with all Dragon Links, I always go for the backups. So what I will do is I will take that down to 100 and see where we go. A little bit more to play with. Oh, need 3 of them. Oh, so unlucky. Come on, another 2. Oh, come on, be nice. Another 2. Come on. Last spin. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No. Oh well, never mind. Left them the money. We had a bit of fun.
And free drinks.
And free drinks.
And they're very strong. Look how much. There's more vodka in there than Red Bull. For sure.
So we thought we'd come back to the same Clio machine that we did before. It's only paid out a penny, so hopefully it's got something in it. And I'm going to do 180 credits, so a bit high roller than I normally would do. And let's see.
We've been lucky at Bellagio so far, so you never know. Apologies for any glare, because there's a chandelier right above us. Nice little bonus would be lovely, or some Clios.
Yeah.
So if he gets anything, we will show you the bonus, hopefully. So not a bonus, but a nice big win. $41.40. Yay!
That's nice.
So up to $119.80 now.
Keep going.
Oh, definitely.
Not so lucky tonight. Took the 100, so c'est la vie.
So we've made our way into Horseshoe now. We're working our way through, cashing in all of our little vouchers because we probably won't be at this end again, because we're hopefully going to Fremont Street tomorrow. But I did okay on the little carnival one the other day, so I thought, so that it's stick $20 in, 75-cent bets. You never know, might win. At least it's not a Buffalo one. So, and luck of the waitress, because literally we sat down and she was behind us. So, hopefully, because she's come here, we might get some pennies. Or when she comes in a second, we might get some pennies. So, if we get a bonus or anything, we will come back. So, we have got a bonus. So, we went down a little bit, but which one do we go for?
I don't know, the choice is yours.
But what's the carnival feature?
That's the one where it goes boom, boom, boom and it goes up with the hammer.
Should we try that? Push that one for me, please.
You want the jackpot feature, are you sure?
Yeah, go on. Can't win the jackpot unless you try. Oh, come on, go all the way along, all the way along. Go, go on. Something happy. It's a little ball one. Woo, woo, whoop. Hey! I'm happy I just put a freaking feature on it. He puts it in his mouth. There we are. Yes!
Yes! $2.
$2 is $2. Do you think there's any actual skill to this? I don't know if there's actually any skill to this or not.
I don't know.
Probably not. No, because I didn't know. Aye!
$3.
Oh, I'm going to win a fortune on this, aren't I? So I've got that 10 times now. Whoa. Yes!
Yeah.
There is some skill. I've done quite well.
$7.50.
Yeah! Got my money back, so I'm happy. I'm easily pleased.
Oh my gosh, that's cool. I'd aim that 5.
Yay! 23.50.
So win.
Da, 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 da. A win is a win. And that's it, everyone knows by now.
Congratulations.
I'm easily pleased. That was the luck of the waitress again. That's a double up nearly.
I wonder whether they wear magnetic tags to set them off.
What do you mean? Other waitresses?
Yeah.
Potentially. So I'm cashing out because I'm a tight ass. So, and it was a bonus, and we got our free drinks, which was all I was after. So happy days. So we're now in the aria, and I'm going to prove my curse on Dragon Link. I put 20 in because I'm just literally charging my phone down to 10.25, and this is just to prove my curse on Dragon Link because I never win on it. So if I get a bonus, it'll be a miracle. That's all I say, because I never ever win on this. I've got my lucky mark next to me, so you never know. He seems to do okay on this. So maybe his presence near me will win. Ooh, 25 cents, there we go. Just 6 balls for a free game. What are the flags? Come on, flags, flags. Oh. I got 5 balls a minute ago. I'm cursed on this. Oh my god! Right. Watch me not win nothing.
Bonus in a bonus, come on.
Yeah, we can pray.
Balls, was one up there.
Come on, give me 6 flaming balls. Come on.
6 flaming balls.
And a nice one up there would be nice.
Balls.
Oh. Sorry, I know I touched it.
It's 5 or 6. $1.15 win. Balls, come on. Oh.
Told you.
$1.15.
I'm cursed. Absolute pants.
Yeah.
Run now.
Come on, flags or balls? Come on. Flags or balls? I won't be here for long. I never win. Give him the most expensive phone charge I've ever had. Oh, I should have picked the machine next to me. That's just hit 6 balls. Oh, last couple of spins. Come on. Give me some balls. Give me some balls. Come on. Oh, so close. It's such a tease. Come on, flags or balls. Right, last spin. Come on. Absolute rubbish. Let's choose a dragon. Let's see if we're a winner. Oh, a winner. Come on. Only if it pays out. Which was nothing. Never mind. Told you the curse of Dragon Link continues with me. Mark won $20 on the machine earlier, which we didn't film. So it's not on Genghis Khan. See whether we can win. Like I told you, I'm not lucky on this. Mark has a much better luck on it than me. So he's spending $20.
It's keeping me in the game and giving me
$25 fucking bill. $10 teasing us with that.
I know. No, that's it.
$20 gone. Never mind. So walking back through park.
We are.
It's been a fun evening. We've not gambled ridiculous amounts, but we're not too far down, are we?
No, and we walk from one end of the strip and back again.
We have. It's been a very nice evening, actually. So tomorrow is our last full day. So I think we're planning to do another pool day if we can, because the weather's supposed to be nice still. And then we're off to Fremont Street. So that'd be exciting because we've not done it properly. We were there the other day to watch Ruby's group pool in Circular, that's it. Most sort of go anyway to cash out because he forgot to cash his ticket in. So it's an excuse to go back. But yeah, it'll be a fun evening because we like Fremont Street. We've not been able to go there for a couple of trips, have we? Because we came last and it was raining every time we went, so not so much fun under a canopy. It's not waterproof. Got me dripped on. So probably this is it for the thing tonight.
Yep.
Because you're on the way back to the hotel. Maybe a little 1 or 2 play when we get to New York, which we're walking through. Mark needs to cash in 1 more ticket. So if we play there, we'll do a little thingy. But if not, we'll say goodnight. So coming through Luxor, thought I'd play Zeus just for $20. See whether I win something. 50 cents a spin, because I'm a big gambler. Actually, I'm going to go to $1. Whoa, pushing the boat out here, Steve, careful. Go to Gamblers Anonymous next. Nice little Zeus bonus, come on. 3 or more of his little hands, that's what we're after. Come on, Zeus, show your little face for me. That's it, another one, go on, go on. Oh, went past. Oh, 2 again. Loads of dead spins. Come on, last 3 pushes. Oh, kept me a couple more spins. Sadly, a couple more spins. It's not looking promising though, guys. Last one. Oh, okay. Another 4 spins. 4 more chances. Come on. Oh. Come on, Zeus. You know you want to. Oh. Well, it's either 50% spin or wage saver. So let's play the wage saver because it's nice and big there. Oh, I thought I was going to lose that then. Come on. Oh, big fat nothing, guys. I'm so sorry. Never mind. $20 wasted. Should have gone to bed.